My name is LOATSAD, and I'm the facilitator for mixology. So today, the kids were taught on two important topics in mixology. That is fruit juice recipe and hibiscus drink. That's what we call Zobo. Okay, firstly, I would say all ingredients are important, but I'll go with ginger because it has one taste it gives the Zobo. It has one sadness taste it brings out. So without the ginger in a Zobo, it's not a Zobo. For the kids, I would say the tasting period, where they were about to taste what they produce, they were all eager to have a taste of the Zobo. I would say they have to be patient with everything they do, and they have to put God first. When you put God first, I'm sure everything will work perfectly. Learning is a journey, not a destination. Whatever you are doing, do it well. But make sure your mind is in what you are doing. Be focused and be determined. Experimenting Zobo drink on their own, getting more knowledge about the recipe to make it more better.